I think we hold the record for the biggest views
you
on a
guys
sell
hold the
channel.
record. No one broke it. Fake OGs try to break it, but you gotta do some work.
I told these guys.
You gotta do some work. Come on.
Hello, what is going on? Up next, Trades Keon here, back with another video. And today, guys, we are here with sideways level trading. So contrary to popular belief, man, a day trader's life, it's not always bearish or bullish. Most of the time it is a stable market, and that is where sideways level trading comes into play. It's the whole act of trading without emotion. When people talk about sideways level trading, a lot of times they refer to bots per se, but people can do it as well if you use the right techniques that I'm going to be showing you guys today. And this is when the market is not going in one direction or the other. It's very stable levels. You could still make a whole ton of profit, man. So don't think markets are fully volatile or it has to be going up and down to actually make profits. That is not the case, and that's why today I'm going to be showing guys sideways level trading using Chainlink in real time. So let's get into it, fellas. As you guys can see over here, sideways level trading. Today we're looking at the chain link to the Tether US perpetual futures. So what is sideways level trading? It's a trading where you trade certain levels but not bullish or bearish. As I stated earlier, it's not fully volatile, and this type of trading is commonly referred to what bots do. And really, guys, we're going to be pretending to bot our emotions today. So no act of, oh, it's going to go up or down, just making trades at a very stable level and looking for slimmer profit margins as if it were a volatile method. But at the same time, if you're doing this consistently and sideways level trading consistently, it all adds up, right, guys? So again, looking at this chart right over here on the side-ish aspect, you're looking that you're in bearish zone, but on the right side it's looking like it's going the other way. So after you see something bearish happen the last day or bullish happen the last day, a lot of times the next day it's just very stable levels. So there's no money flowing in, no money flowing out, and this is really the time you take advantage of sideways level trading. So guys, the reality behind this idea is determining a certain region in which you want to trade back and forth. So for this case here, we're going to be looking at the chain link to Tether US perpetual. So I'm going to be setting my rectangles over here to choose the region that I actually want to be trading on. So as you guys can see, I'm going on the lower aspect of the chart and then moving my way upwards. So right here, the exact bottom may be a bit above the exact bottom, but it's really close to that point. So we're going to pull out a ruler and determine the percentage from the bottom of this region to the top of the region. So right now it's showing me 3.3%, and we're going to go at the exact middle right, then go straight to the exact middle. So very, very stable market right over here. No money flowing in and no money flowing out. So as you guys can see, we're going to be adding a line, and when you add this line, it's really following behind the idea of grabbing a Fibonacci retracement tool to find the exact bottom and find the exact top. So then from then you can find your medium Fibonacci level with the medium price line just like this. So as you guys can see here, just set your mark right over here. And then what you're going to do is actually you're going to be starting this trading idea at the very middle point. So right here, I'm looking at the right point of it. Boom. And you're actually going to be using this as a region band and really using this as reference. So always grab the segment from the middle to the right as a region band and start from here. So when you actually go back in time, you can see that this method applies across the charts, guys. This isn't going to be a method that just works once or twice. It's going to work across the board. So right over here, we got the bottom data from here, and you're going to know that the bearish trend is coming at the same same time. So make sure you keep an eye on liquidity so you don't get caught sideways level trading. So what you do here is go to the initial midpoint, the point right now it's looking, yeah, the 0.5 of the Fibonacci chasement level is our reference level. So make sure you're using that. And what you do is you put two different types of orders, right? So right here we put the sell orders on the right side, and then from here make sure to note that down, and then you put your buy orders over here. So as you guys can see, you have both types of orders going across the board, sell on the top and then buy on the side. So you're gonna make this really work together just like that. So right over here, it's really important to use these salon buy orders for this type of region until you guys get to the breakout region, which is right around over here. So that's the breakout region right there, and you don't wanna go below or above the 3 points. So right here, you have a region created, and we want to stay within this region as much as possible, guys. Try your best not to move out of this region and make sure that you are staying in just one position. So this is very ideal. So the order is 1/10 of the trading money. So for trading with $100, just use as an example, we're going to be dividing by 10. So you would do 10 $10 orders. So you guys got that. Make sure it's going back and forth so it really follows the sideways method and you don't fall out of line at any point. So right over here, you want to get in the middle line. So you're just looking at this as any normal trade. So again, guys, very stable levels. We want to use 1/10 of our money trading based on wherever the point is, but you're really doing 10 orders. So in the long run, it's the same. So now, as you guys can see, as we're going into real time, you have to really look at this and look for your certain margin levels. As I told you, it's not going to be surreal profits like when you do a volatile trade, but if you do the sideways trading right and you set the right levels using Fibonacci retracement, you're going to be in the green, you're going to be in the money. So right now, as you guys can see a huge level of profit right over here. Boom, guys, the breakout level is there until it's broken, and we would actually be selling everything right here, and we're trading this region. So you'd actually be buying at the bottom line. So as we go in a bullish trend, you're maximizing your profits, as you guys can see over here. So again, you look at the neutral area. Again, I'm running anything 3 times, 4 times, possibly 5 times, 6 times as this is possible. And we're catching those guys out once, twice, and 3 times with these certain profit margins ranging from 0.1 per 1% to 3.2%. So again, guys, it varies significantly based on whatever you're looking for. And with leverage, this equates to around 25 to 30% profit margin from just a single trade in a single region. So really like to see that using leverage, 25 to 30% using sideways level trading, as you guys just saw me do with the Chainlink to USDT pair. So absolutely awesome stuff. Now, guys, we're going to be moving on to your favorite segment, my favorite segment, project of the day. You guys loved us covering an NFT project last time, so we're going to be doing the same. We're going to be showing you guys Curate, a surreal NFT marketplace ecosystem that does it all. So no further ado, fellas, let's tap right in. So guys, as you can see over here, we are on the Curate section. The Curate NFT app is also available. So look at NFTs just like day trading, guys. You have the really fluctuating prices, and it's really important on catching the right NFTs. And to do this, guys, you have to do it in the right marketplaces with the right app. So as you guys can see over here, you have gasless, cross-chain, simple to use, all pros of using Curate, and it's available in the App Store and Google Play, as I just mentioned. You can take a look at the Curate NFT Marketplace app, cross-chain physical goods, the marketplace fiat on-ramp, desktop web apps, active marketing, so SMOs, SEOs, ASOs, and PR. You have partnership integrations as well. So looking at it as an NFT marketplace comparison, you have gasless, free minting and binning, commission, physical goods, cross-chain, token, carbon neutral, card purchases, mobile, desktop, and so much more, man. You guys can see all of the breakdown. You could check out what is inside between them. So from NFTs, gaming collections, physical goods, all the way to 0 fees to mint, bid, and trade. You have up to 0% commission on OpenSea, 2.5%, Rarible 5%, and you could pay with Ether, USDC, .so SOL, Xcure, or card based on whatever you're trying to do. And behind every awesome project, guys, is an awesome team. As I always mentioned, you have Alexei Ivanov, Alexander Vukic, top of the line fellas. And this is all in a token format as well. So that's what we're going to be talking about now. Really the tokenomics behind it. So looking at the total supply, you have Curate, the token name, the token symbol, the different tech that's going to be happening, the different circulating supply, and you guys can check out the roadmap, what's going on in Q1. You have Binance Pay integration, paving the way for deeper integration into the Binance ecosystem. You have P2P, physical goods in the marketplace enhancements. These are all things that they're working on now, man. This is not even getting into the awesome things they have coming in the near future. This is just what is happening in this quarter, right, guys? In this month and next month. And these months, you have the launch of Curate, NFT to PFP collection. You have gasless in-app transfers enabled for NFT based on membership levels. You have all of this stuff available for you. You have Floki tokens and app integrations. You have phase 1 Algorand and app integrations for deposits and withdrawals. And then going on to the next quarter, you have Elron Gold and app integrations for deposit and withdrawals, and so much more coming into the space. You could experience cross-chain NFTs as well. So you have NFTs, NFT Sol, NFTs to BSC, and so much more. You have the different token distributions going on as well. So for holders, Uniswap, Xcure, Treasury, vesting tokens, they give you a full-on breakdown of everything that is happening. And we love to see this level of transparency in the space because, again, guys, it lets you know exactly where every dollar is going. And I can't say the same about a lot of NFT projects who don't do this. You have them on different exchanges as well. KuCoinGate.io, Bitcoin.com, Uniswap, PancakeSwap, all of these places, it's going to be available live and direct. So we really love to see this, fellas. You have the team, the different partners, the media kits, and so much more that you guys can tap into. And that is all the time we have for today, man. Today we took a good look at sideways level trading when the market is not volatile, bullish, or bearish, but it's moving in stable levels, how you guys could still cash out and make profits if you follow the right methods, if you're doing your Fibonacci retracement right and using the right lines as I showed you guys today with a real life example of Chainlink. And we also took a look at Curate, an NFT app, an NFT ecosystem that is doing surreal things. Make sure to check out the links in the description. We got a whole lot of content coming to you guys very soon. Up Next Trades out.